Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe this channel. If not so, just do it now. Today is the third part of Microsoft Office. So today I am going to show you how you can insert image in Microsoft Office and also write something on the image. So easy for this, you no need to any software. Just go to Microsoft Office, insert any image which you want. So for this, go to insert picture, find your picture. This is, I like this one. So after select your picture, go to insert option again and add the text, select the text box. After going this, select this one, simple text box. After select your picture, just unmark your picture, then go to insert again, select text box, select first one, simple text box. Here you can see something is inserting. Now I like to write something. So what you want, you can write and you can place where you want. I think you are thinking about the white background behind the text, so don't worry, I like to show you how you can remove this white background. So for this, again, go to format, then select your text. After selecting, go to shape fill and select no fill. Here you can find no white background is showing behind the text. I think you also are thinking the border, black border. So to remove this black border, select your text. After, go to shape outline. This is under the format option. Go to shape outline, select and select no outline. So the outline is gone. In this way you can insert image and write something on the image. I think you find this tutorial as helpful. If so, give me a big thumbs up and also subscribe this channel for more upcoming tutorials. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.